inscribed angles. So inscribed angles are angles that vertex is on the circle. And let's say A, B. And how they're related or how they're measured is the measurement of angle A is going to be half of the measurement of arc B, right? So it's going to be half of the arc that it intersects. So let's look at this first problem. The first problem, they're telling us that that inscribed angle measures 67, okay? That's telling me that out there, this arc measure is going to be double that. So double of 67. So 67 times 2 is 134. So this arc measure is 134 degrees. Remember, measure is different from length. Measure, we're talking about in degrees. And so if I wanted to find x or really x, we would set up 16x minus 10 equals to 134 and then solve for x that way. So we have 16x is equal to 144 divided by 16 and we get x 9. So looking at the second problem, it's a little bit trickier, but we can figure it out. So that angle 59, that inscribed angle of 59 is telling me that the arc measure of that inscribed arc is double that, or 118 degrees, right? And so that's telling me that I got to figure out what is over here. Well, remember, an entire circle is 360 degrees. If I know that this part is 118, then the difference is what's left on the other arc, which is 242. And so that's kind of where I'm going with. And we can take it even further. Sorry, I didn't even see this part. So because we know that's 75, we can take it a little bit smaller. Oops. We can take it a little bit smaller to help us a little bit, right? So if that's 75, and I did 242 for the entire thing. When we do the 75, that means from x to y, so this arc here measures 167. And so that's what I'm going to set that equal to. So we have 17x minus 20 is equal to 167, and we're going to solve for x here. So we have 17x is equal to 187. Divide both sides by 17, 11.